closer. I should have kissed you then. Your hair was longer. I pulled away from it and moved to the city over the Tappan Zee Bridge. You like the colors, I can't see anything. I'll be your coffee, I'll be your poster child, walking like Jesus when all the stores are closed. You think of drowning out in your parents' pool. The water's freezing, it was September. I think I know you. I was here before the start of the storm. It's all around you, now you're coming back. Now you're coming back. You want that glimmer, I should have told you that. Now more than ever.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizzy Hinshaw and I come out with new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. So today's video, or I guess the next 2 days video, is going to be my first weekend in my new apartment. I'm so excited to be here. It's been a roller coaster ride of moving, getting furniture, and starting my new job all in a span of like 5 days. So it's been pretty hectic, but my boyfriend and I finally made the move that we've been dreaming about and thinking about for so long. So like I said, keep an eye out for some room transformation videos like this room, for example. Welcome to my bedroom. It is pretty bare right now because we haven't really got a ton of decor or decorations or anything. We just have a mattress and the bare minimum all set up right now. But I thought I would take you guys along with the first official weekend in my new apartment and show you some organizational things, just all the things. I'm super excited for this weekend. It's gonna be a fun one. So make sure to stick around for the whole video and don't forget to hit that like button because it really helps my videos get seen by more of you lovely people. So I just wanted to film a quick outfit of the day because my boyfriend and I are gonna run to Target and I'm gonna look for a desk. But this dress is from Nordstrom. It's really comfortable and cute, and then I'm just wearing my white Vans from Vans. So I'm gonna go to Target. Don't mind my hair and SpongeBob on in the background, but I wanted to do a little Target slash not Home Depot. I wanted to do a little Target slash Office Depot haul because I found a desk that I really liked and we just got some random stuff. So we got a squeegee for our shower because we have a glass stand-up shower, so we need this. It's pretty important. And then we also got a shower organizer, and it's a pretty big one because I have a lot of stuff. And last, besides the desk, I got this little pencil holder because the hardware of the desk is black, so I wanted to go with like a black theme. And I am gonna build the desk, so enjoy some footage of me trying to be handy and build a desk. It'll be entertaining, to say the least. Spoiler alert, I am not handy and I messed up this desk, as you will see later. I didn't mess it up to the point where we couldn't fix it, but I definitely had to call in reinforcements later. And in these beginning clips, I am wearing a full-on dress, which is not carpentry attire in any way, shape, or form, so I changed into something a little more practical, and I tried my very best. This is where I really messed up. These screws would not go in very far, and literally that's where I messed up in the very beginning, and that is why it took probably twice as long to build this desk as it should have, but I'm just going to let you enjoy the montage and maybe just forget about my carpentry mistakes. Okay, not really carpentry, I just put it together, and then literally it wouldn't even go in. This is where I really messed up. What did I do? Babe, help, help.
Okay. What's up?
It's stuck. Update on the desk. I tried to put the drawer in and I must have not screwed something in all the way, so I majorly messed it up. So Brian to the rescue. He is fixing my mistake.
Fuck. Down, yeah.
So after much work, the desk is finally finished. And I think it looks pretty good. I may put it in that corner just so I can put my calendar up there, but yay! And then there was just this mess of cords from the TV, from the router, and I just needed to organize that for my sanity a little bit because it was really bothering me. It is a little bit later in the day. It's about 4:20, and I am actually super excited. Not only did I get my desk built today, but I also found out that I'm allowed to hang stuff in my apartment. This whole time I thought I wasn't allowed, so I didn't hang anything, and I called them and I can hang stuff up. So I will show you me hanging stuff up. Also just had some coffee, and that was the right thing to do because I was getting really tired and now I have energy. So shout out to caffeine.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, yeah. That's just how it goes. These days I'm getting no sleep. Fuck 'em all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, well I've been and done when I tense up. That patience were now playing dress up. Big sales on them big meals. Got a pocket full of coupons, we gon' eat well. And you know I got them refills. Got my dimes and the coffee Vince playing on the JBL. Lately I don't go to sleep unless the sun is up. Think I'm wasting all this time feeling kinda stuck. Not enough reps on the chest, who the fuck does legs now? Way too busy feeling stressed out. I'm just trying.
What's up, gang? So just did some decorating in my room. It feels a lot homier in here already. Put up this and a few other little things. It's around 6 o'clock right now, so I think I am gonna have some dinner because your girl's getting hungry, and let's see what we can whip up in the kitchen. Okay, so to make this sausage broccoli pasta dish, all you need is some sausage. You can do Italian, spicy, whatever you're in the mood for, some bouillon cubes, and some broccoli. And any kind of smaller pasta works, and it's just a one-pot meal, so you just need one pot, and it's really easy and yummy. Also, most importantly, you will need some wine. Okay guys, sorry, I totally forgot one thing that you are gonna need is this sun-dried tomato paste. You can get it at the store. They have it just in a jar like this, or you can buy a different kind. I don't really know what they have out there, but it's good to have, and it's really, really yummy.
My sundown, it's all a waste and I know. Can't see the end and I know. She be here waiting, I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting and waiting, and she got me, hold up. Dopamine got me feeling like got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or two before I'm having fun. I'm gon' quit this shit before it fucks me up.
Just got back from our little walk after dinner, and I think I'm gonna end tonight just because I'm just gonna edit and do boring stuff for the rest of the night. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Sunday from me and my Nespresso. This was probably one of the greatest adult purchases I have made in my early 20s, and I don't regret it at all. If you like good coffee, then I highly suggest it over a Keurig. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that the pods are actually recyclable, and you can get these bags from your local Nespresso store, and they are pre-labeled. The pods are made out of aluminum, so they are completely recyclable. So don't pass up on this opportunity to save the planet, or at least help out a little bit.
Ryan Little.
Happy Sunday. It is a beautiful day here. I took it pretty slow this morning and just kind of relaxed on the couch, had some coffee, did a little cleaning and organization, but happy Sunday. It's beautiful today. I definitely think I'm gonna make it outside and hopefully do a little bit of a workout today. I've been telling myself that for the past couple days, so I wore my workout clothes to hold myself accountable. We'll see if it actually works or not. But I will take you guys along with the rest of my weekend. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that subscribe button because you just should. I don't know why you haven't already, honestly. All right.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love. Take another one. Let it in, let it fill you up. Make a wish, make another one. Don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say everything on our minds is okay, cause this is love.
Just did a 15-minute HIIT workout. It was really, really good. I called my friend Brianna. You may have seen her in the last vlog. She actually lives on property as well, so we are gonna continue working out together when she gets back from the store. So we did actually work out, but I didn't film any of it. Afterwards, we decided to hit the pool for a little bit just to get a little bit of sun and hang out outside. Brian joined eventually. Haven't updated you guys in a little bit. It's about 3 o'clock right now. I just heated up some leftovers from last night, and my friend Brianna and I went to the pool and did a little workout. And now I am trying to upload some of this footage to start editing it, and it's giving me some issues. So I'm dealing with that currently, and then probably gonna head to the store and make some dinner a little bit later, but I'll keep you guys posted. All right guys, I just got back from the store. I wanted to show you something that I got that I'm really excited about. I got a new toothbrush. I've never had an electric one, like a nice fancy electric one like this before, so I'm excited. Hopefully it makes my teeth extra clean. But everyone at the store was so kind. I had maybe 3 interactions with the staff at King Soopers, and they were all just so nice. Like, customer service A1, everything was awesome. I think I might end this vlog here. Maybe I'll insert like what I made for dinner because I'm making baked ziti tonight, so it should be really yummy. But I do want to start editing this footage, so I think I might just kind of end it off here. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and getting me to 152 subscribers. It's really, really exciting for me. I know that's a small number, but okay, so what's happening right now is there's this dog howling, and I think it's like him and his owner, and they do it once a day, like just for fun. Like, the dog doesn't howl continuously, but the owner like howls with him. It's kind of cute. I'm okay with it because it's not all the time. It's just like once a day. I did want to pop on and say we had a little Bob Ross night. We didn't follow a video or anything, but we just painted on the balcony and had a really fun time. I really, really enjoyed this. But yeah, anyways, I think I'm going to end this vlog. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.